everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add write message template on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add a video that you want to edit, and after this in here, if you want to add write message template, so you just click on the text at the bottom. And after this in here, you just click on the text template, and now you just click on the message, and at the message you just click on the write message template, this one. So you just click on it, and after this in here, you just click on the check icon. Now you can adjust the text, so you just click double tap at the message like this. Okay, and you can change the text, maybe don't forget to subscribe, like this. And after this, I want to change, you can click on the check icon now, and I want to change this second text, so you just double tap at the text and you can change the text to okay, like this. Now you just click on the check icon and finish. So that's how to add write message template on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.